If you're a big user of the S Pen Ear command and the shortcuts, here's where you can go to add or remove, change the style and how you access the Ear command. This is for the Galaxy S24 Ultra and it's the same for the S22, S23 Ultra. Let's get started. All right, my S Pen users, use the quick access if it's your first time doing this here, and you'll tap on the settings button right here, that one right there. So tap on that here one time, then use the search bar right there and type in the words S Pen, all right? So you'll go ahead and type that in. You'll see the suggestion for S Pen and just tap on this one here, the first one. And most likely you'll appear to the center of all the options. So just go ahead and bring up your screen like this here to start from the very top. You'll see your battery status of the S Pen and you'll see where it says Ear Commands right here. So you want to go here, and this is where you can change the layout of your Ear command. So your Ear command would be this little floating icon right here. You can tap on it, and I'll show you how you can disable that and use the button of your pen to access that. So first, let's look at the menu style. We got the standard. This is the standard one here where it pops up like this here and takes about half of your screen. And if you want that style, you'll go with the standard. However, if you wanted the compact version where when you tap here, it appears more on the right side here, a little slender bar there, it's up to you to make that decision. Now, let's just say you want to add or remove some more shortcuts here. So you'll tap here on this option here. This screen's going to load up for you and you can get some more options here. So to remove one of these features here, let's say I want to remove one of these here. I'll tap on that little minus right there. I don't know if you can see it. There's a minus right there on every app that's on the shortcut here. And it's going to remove it for me. You'll also see that little circle to add a next one that's available. So let's just say I want to add something else. So I'll go through the shortcuts here. Maybe I want to have something on standby. Perhaps maybe I want to constantly check my email all the time. So I'll long press the Gmail and I'll bring it into the circle here. Wherever I release it, it's going to stay there. And now that's going to be part of my shortcuts for the S Pen. You can also rearrange the order of these shortcuts by long pressing it and just kind of bring it to where you want it to be. So maybe you want this one to be up here and you just let it go. And you can come back and change it up or customize it anyhow you want it. If you're done with this part here, you can come back again. So as we back out of here now, we got these last two options, and maybe you don't want this button here, this little floating icon here. You don't want to see this. You're tired of it. So you can disable it by turning this off. Now, the thing is here now, when you disable this thing here, the other way to actually get access to it is by having this turn on, which is Open Ear Command with the pen button. So instead of having to like touch on your screen where the floating icon is, you can press on the button here, this S Pen button right there, and that'll pop up that menu for you. You got to place it really close and it's going to pop it up for you like this here to give you the Ear command shortcut there. So cool stuff all in all here. And of course, you can have them both on if you want to, totally up to you. And if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.